Hello students, today we are going to start class first lesson number 3. Name of the lesson is use of a and an. Before starting this lesson, for better understanding, we will revise our previous lesson. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. See the picture. In the picture, downside a pot is given and in that pot all the alphabets are given. Out of all 26 alphabets, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are the vowel sounds and remaining all 21 are consonants. Now, clear the idea? Shall we move? Now, we will see actual use of a and an. Where to use a and where to use an. Firstly, we will see the use of a. Whenever a word beginning with consonant sound, a is used. Means a is used for the words beginning with consonants. For example, a ball. Why a is used for ball? Because B is a consonant sound. That's why A is used. See another example. A flower. Here also F is consonant sound. That's why A is used. Now we will see where to use an. Whenever a word beginning with vowel sound an is used, it means an is used for the words beginning with vowel sound. See the examples. An umbrella. Here umbrella is beginning with U. Umbrella spelling is beginning with letter U and U is vowel. That's why an is used. Another example is an ice cream. Why an ice cream? I is also a vowel. That's why an ice cream. Now cleared. Now we'll solve more examples. Fill in the blanks with a or an. This is a horse. Here's horse H is consonant sound. That's why a is used. Next example. This is an ox. Why an is used? Ox O is vowel sound. That's why an is used. Then this is a parrot. Parrots P is consonant sound. That's why A is used. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Elephant's E is vowel sound. That's why an elephant is correct. Now this is an owl. O is vowel sound. That's why an owl. Next. This is a temples. Temples T is consonant sound. That's why this is a temple. This is an eagle. Eagle's E is vowel sound. That's why an eagle. This is an onion. Onion's A is vowel sound. That's why here also an is used. Now this is an orange. Orange O is vowel sound. That's why an orange. This is a mango. M is consonant sound. That's why consonant. The consonant sound. That's why A is used. Understood? Now keep practicing. Follow textbook. Thank you.